Hi, why problems and challenges are important in life? Whenever any problem or challenge comes in our life, when we think about its solution and we work in the right direction, then we get the solution of that particular problem, how we can solve and how we can come out of that problem. So whenever problems come, our mind work more in the different way, then how can we overcome that particular situation, and how can we achieve the thing we want. So whenever problems or challenges comes in our life, don't feel hesitate, don't think much about that kind of situation or challenges, because many of the time you have already heard from many peoples, or you have read many of the time. Because whenever problem comes, it means something good will be happening in coming of the time, because God has given us so many things in our life, and he also try us how he can solve that particular problem or the situations. Because whenever situation or any kind of problems or challenge comes in our life, so in that way we think more differently way. And some of the people get down and they think, I can't do anything. How I can come out from this situation, or how can I solve that particular problem. In that way he or totally depend on the God, or totally depend on other things, or his surroundings peoples, or his friends and family members. He don't think about the solutions, and he always keep talking with other persons. Yeah, I am facing that problem, or I am right now I am having this challenge. In that situation his mind don't work, and he don't work, and he don't think about the solutions. So if whenever any kind of problem or any kind of situations, targets or challenges comes in your life, that means god also want to uh, God also wants to we work on that thing. And when we solve that particular problem, we feel more positiveness, we feel more happy. Because by this problem we overcome that situation, and we know, yes, my capability is more than that the situation. So whenever comes these kind of active situation come in your life, don't feel hesitate, don't feel tension, don't take tension. So always work in the right direction, always work in the right direction, right, with the right mind people and right mindset also. Because mindset also play a very important role in our life. Thank you.